Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the sky literally with the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking for something stable or a pro filmmaker chasing cinematic shots, I've got something here for you. These drones feature next-gen tech like laser obstacle avoidance, dual or triple HD cameras, 5G Wi-Fi, and brushless motors. So stick around, you might just find your next flying companion. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get into it. Number 1. L200 Pro Max GPS Drone 4K 4K Dual HD Camera, 2-axis PEZ Gimbal, GPS plus optical flow, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, obstacle avoidance, brushless motor. Right out of the box, the L200 Pro Max impresses. The 2-axis gimbal actually works really well for stabilizing shots while flying in light wind. GPS tracking is fast and the return-to-home function is reliable even if you're flying out of sight. Pros: smooth video stabilization, responsive GPS tracking. Great value for the price. Number 2. F204 Upgraded 8K RC Drone, 8K Professional HD Camera, Laser Barrier Avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi, brushless motors, foldable design. This drone is all about resolution. The 8K footage is truly crisp, especially when you're hovering or moving slowly. I was impressed with the laser barrier avoidance. It's more responsive than ultrasonic sensors. Definitely a future-forward drone. Pros: high-definition 8K capture, smart folding design, advanced obstacle avoidance. Number 3. ZLL-SG-109 Max 2 Gimbal Drone, 8K HD Camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, foldable GPS. The SG-109 Max 2 is a content creator's dream. The 3-axis gimbal is a big deal. It smooths out footage beautifully. Laser obstacle detection is sharp and accurate. I flew this through narrow alleys and tree-lined parks with 0 crashes. Pros: professional-level stabilization, very accurate obstacle avoidance, lightweight and compact. Number 4. 8K Mini FPV RC Drone, 8K plus 4K dual camera, obstacle avoidance, GPS plus FPV. Mini remote design, small but mighty. Despite its compact size, this drone delivers 8K footage with impressive clarity. It's ultra-portable and surprisingly stable. Ideal for beginners who want pro-level footage without the bulk. Pros: ultra-compact, dual cameras, beginner-friendly controls. Number 5. S156 Large Screen Drone 2025, brushless motor, optical flow positioning, one-click takeoff, ultra-stable flight, large control display. The S156 feels futuristic. The controller with a large built-in screen is fantastic, no need to pair your phone. It's responsive, holds altitude like a pro, and is ideal for beginners who want full control without hassle. Pros: built-in screen on controller, stable flight for beginners, strong motor and design. Alright folks, that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you're looking for raw 8K power, laser-guided obstacle avoidance, or a beginner-friendly flyer, there's something on this list for every pilot. My top pick? The ZLL-SG-109 Max 2. That 3-axis gimbal with laser detection is a game-changer. But if you're on a tighter budget, the L200 Pro Max gives you pro features at a great price. Let me know in the comments which one you'd fly first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tech reviews. Until next time, keep flying high. Would you like me to format this as a downloadable script or add background music / sound effects suggestions too?